Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this aesthetic PowerPoint template slideshow in just 6 minutes. So tag along and watch till the end. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. So first of all, you have to insert an image. I'm just gonna use this image for now with books and cups and flowers in it. We're gonna give it a 16:9 ratio, aspect ratio. We're going to adjust our image and put it into the top corner, and then we're going to drag it till it covers the entire slide. Go to format picture and go to artistic effects, and from here choose this blur effect. And you're going to give it a blur effect of 37%. Well, let me just do, yeah, so here it goes about, so let me just increase its blur. You can use your own blur effect. So now insert a text box on top, and in it, you're going to insert your header. And next, you're going to increase its size and bold it, give it a bold font. And let's just bold it and give it a middle outline and increase its size. Here you go. Change its color to white. And the next thing you're going to do is insert another text box right below this one. And in it, you're going to write who made this template. Right now, I'm making this a template, so I'll just write by Slide Pro. So let's give it a spacing of 20% and give it the same center alignment and change its color to white. And let's just, yeah, so here it comes. Now put it into the center of this template. You're gonna go to pictures and insert about 5 images that you like. So I'm just going to use some brown aesthetic images. These can be anything like flowers or buildings or anything stuff like that. And I'm going to change its shape to a circle and select each of the separate images. And then go to crop shape and aspect ratio and give each of them a 1:1 of aspect ratio. Be sure to use 1:1 aspect ratio for all of these images, and be sure to crop down the each of the image. First of all, select all of these images and give them the same height and width, and then go to line and give them a line of 6p.t and change the outline color to white. Now go to height and width of all of these circles. So let me just first of all adjust them. Select all of them and then go to height and give it a 6 centimeter of height and length. And let's move them right here like this. That first of all the most forward image comes forward, and next the other behind it, and the fifth one behind it. So let's just give them some gap. Select all of these and align them. Distribute them horizontally and distribute them vertically from the arrange option. Next, what you have to do is move them in equal distance, but be sure to select all of them and then go to shape format and align them into the center and the middle. Select all of these like this and put them into the middle of this template, somewhat right here. So by grouping them, we can easily put them into the center. And next, let's just ungroup them. And the next thing you're going to do is insert a circle with the same height and length as the images. And the next thing we're going to do is give it a outline of 6p.t and a white color. And for its fill, I'm going to use this dark brown color from the background image. Let me just check some different colors. So this white also looks nice, but I think this brown will look more suitable for this one right here. And the next thing we're going to do is arrange them horizontally and vertically. Here you go. Now select all of these, only the pictures, and then align them again into the middle and the center. What we're going to do is select this circle and move it onto the right side with some distance between them and the pictures. And let's send it to the back and bring this picture to the back as well. So now the text is in front and the pictures are in front of this circle. Let's insert some text in this circle. So I'm just going to write open. So let's duplicate this template now, and we're going to press control, and then we're going to increase the height and the size and the width of this circle. For the images, we're going to put them side by side by each other and give some of the distance between them, some gap between them, so that we can see what these images are clearly. So the fifth one goes right here, and the other goes right here, and we're going to give them the same distance between them, and select all of them and then move them into the center of this template. Select both the templates and go to transitions and give them morph transition. So this is the final result, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below.